How to get Canva application for free. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to get Canva account for free. So first thing, just head over to Canva application and make sure you're currently logged into your account. As you can see, I've already successfully logged in with my account. Now to get a Canva, you can actually use this feature, that is your free trial, whenever you are logging in for the first time. So Canva will provide your Canva Pro feature for actually 14 days. So you just have to tap on this Pro button from the bottom right corner, or you can also just tap on this getting 14 days free trial from over here, just like this. And once you tap on that, you can see there is the option to actually start your free trial. Just tap on that, so you'll be getting such benefits according to your Canva Pro feature. Among those, you will be getting 100 million plus premium photos, videos and elements for 14 days for absolutely free. And you can also use features such as resize background remover and premium animations for absolutely free, whereas you can also stay organized with brand kits, content planner and 1 TB in storage as well. So just tap on that start free trial, and you can also actually cancel it anytime you want. So from over here, you just have to follow the on-screen instruction. As you can see, that is, you might have to pay certain US dollars based on the packages you choose, such as yearly or monthly. So if you want to go monthly, you can just choose that and simply click on trial and subscribe, and you can just provide your credit or debit card details. And as long as you have 14 days, you can easily use it for free, and you can just cancel it anytime you want. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.